Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to confirm compatibility first. Check your phone model and the latest OS update. Without that, Esim won't register. Once done, verify your carrier supports Esim on your specific plan and request the QR or activation code. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and a recent backup of your device. Now open Settings and locate Cellular or Mobile Data. This is where you'll add the Esim. Follow the carrier's instructions to scan the QR or enter the activation code. You'll scan the carrier QR or manually enter the SMDP plus address and activation token. This connects your Esim profile to the carrier. As you add the line, assign clear labels like primary or travel to avoid confusion, and designate which line handles cellular data and voice. Make sure you set data roaming and network preferences if you plan to travel. Once the profile installs, toggle the line on and restart the radio by toggling airplane mode. This forces a fresh network registration with the carrier. After activation, verify the carrier name, signal bars, and IMS or VoLTE indicators to confirm provisioning, test calls, and data. If things fail, restart the device and toggle the Esim off then on to re-register. If problems persist, ask the carrier to reissue the Esim profile or push provisioning to your IMEI. Make sure they match your device's IMEI. As a final troubleshooting tip, test the Esim profile on a compatible spare device or request a new QR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.